Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. In this video, we will talk about the talking trend and that is Ghibli. Studio Ghibli is more than just an animation studio. It's a gateway to breathtaking worlds, unforgettable characters and powerful storytelling. Whether you are grown up with their films or are just discovering them, Ghibli's magic continues to inspire audiences worldwide. But how did it all begin? Now we will talk about its history. The journey of Studio Ghibli starts with two visionaries, Hayao Miyazaki and Isao Takahata. Before Ghibli, they had already made their mark in Japanese animation, working on TV series like Heidi, Girls of the Alps, and Future Boy Conan. But they wanted to create something more, films that weren't just for kids but for everyone. In 1984, Miyazaki directed Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind, a stunning film that introduced his signature style, lush green landscapes, strong characters, and environmental themes. The success of Nausicaa led to the creation of Studio Ghibli in 1985, along producer Toshiko Suzuki, who helped turn their artistic dreams into reality. Their first official film, Laputa Castle in the Sky, was a box office hit in Japan, followed by My Neighbor Totoro and Grave of the Fireflies in 1988. These films shows two sides of Ghibli. Totoro brought warmth and innocence, while Grave of the Fireflies told a heartbreaking story of war. Even early on, Ghibli proved it wasn't afraid to tackle complex emotions. Over the years, Ghibli's reputation grew worldwide, with masterpieces like Kiki's Delivery Service, Princess Mononoke, and Howl's Moving Castle. But it was Spirited Away in 2001 that truly cemented its place in history, winning the Academy Award for Best Animated Feature, the first non-English film to do so. Despite Hayao Miyazaki announcing retirement multiple times, he always returns with new ideas. His latest film, The Boy and the Heron, released in 2023, shows that even after decades, Ghibli's magic remains as strong as ever. Now we will talk about some interesting facts related to Ghibli. Hayao Miyazaki rarely works with full scripts. He often starts with storyboards and lets the story evolve naturally. Many of Ghibli's films explore themes of environmentalism inspired by Miyazaki's deep love for nature. The name Ghibli comes from an Italian airplane used in World War II. Miyazaki, a huge aviation enthusiast, wanted the studio to blow a new wind into animation. Totoro has become the official mascot of Studio Ghibli and the company logo features him. Unlike many animation studios that rely on CGI, Ghibli prefers traditional hand-drawn animation, making each frame a work of art. The iconic food scenes in Ghibli movies are inspired by Miyazaki's belief that food should look delicious and comforting, just like in real life. Miyazaki personally checks and redraws many frames himself to ensure they match his vision. In the end, I would like to say that for nearly 4 decades, Studio Ghibli has captivated audiences with its stunning animation, emotional depth, and unforgettable stories. Its films transport us to worlds where kindness, courage, and imagination thrive. Whether you have laughed with Toro, marveled at Princess Mononoke, or journeyed through Spirited Away, Ghibli's has given us stories that stay in our hearts forever. What's your favorite Ghibli movie? Let us know and keep the magic alive. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye from my side.